Welcome back to Better Life, Better Living. This is our second episode in our series, Easy Home-Cooked Gourmet Meals. You don't need to be a 5-star chef in order to experience 5-star cooking. Today we're going to take you through a step-by-step recipe for a delicious salmon fillet with vegetables. Warmer weather calls for food that is both refreshing and healthy, and nothing satisfies those needs like salmon. We're going to serve it with a side of asparagus, a nutrient-dense food that provides potent antioxidants like vitamin K and aiding in digestion with its high fiber. Salmon is a highly nutritious, oily fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential vitamins that promote heart health, reduce inflammation, boost brain function, and support weight management. We'll be seasoning with turmeric, red pepper flakes, cloves, cinnamon, all of which boost immunity and digestion. So get your frying pan and pay attention because we're going to walk you through the perfect recipe to make this summer your best. Start by heating a frying pan with about a half a cup of water on high. Then add a can of coconut milk. Then add 2 tablespoons of all of the spices. Stir it all together until fully incorporated with the coconut milk. This will be your flavor base for the salmon and asparagus. We're going to use a thermometer in this recipe to check on the temperature of the salmon. We sell it, so check the description down below to get your own. Now cut the asparagus stalks in half, separating the tender top of the stalk from the dense bottom. For a quick life hack, store any remaining asparagus in a vase of water. This will keep it firm and flavorful for whenever you need it next. Once our broth has been brought to a simmer, it's time to add the dense parts of the asparagus. These are extremely rich in fiber, but take longer to cook. You can immediately after add the salmon, as it takes about as long to cook as the asparagus stalks. At this point, you can add in some more onion flakes, either dried or fresh onion if you have it. The salmon is going to soak up a lot of that creamy broth, which will leave it flaky and juicy. Now add your remaining asparagus stalks and cover, dropping the heat for even cooking. We're going to let that all cook for about 5 minutes. While we're waiting, we can prepare any garnishes, such as chives, spring onion, or in our case, we're going to use fresh squeezed lime juice to give it a sweet and zesty flavor. Just checking to make sure it's cooked. 94 degrees inside, should be fully cooked. You'll know it's fully cooked if the salmon begins to flake apart. And that's it. We're done. Almost too easy. Just gotta plate it. Look at that color. You know you're eating healthy if your plate is full of fresh meats and vegetables and is full of rich and vibrant greens and reds. Now for a secret ingredient to bring this meal to the next level. Just a dash of cinnamon. Now add your garnishes before serving. We're done. A healthy plate of salmon and vegetables to be sure that you're walking into summer with a healthy mind and body while not cutting out on flavor and enjoyment. Thanks to the coconut, it has a tropical flavor and just melts in your mouth. And the spices give it a nice kick to fill you with energy and boost you on your day. In our kitchen, we barely had time to film it before it was all gone. That's how good it is. Don't just take my word for it. This meal is so cheap and easy to make, so delicious, you don't have an excuse not to make it. So go out, get the ingredients, and try it today. And if you're hungry for more, make sure to subscribe to Better Life, Better Living, and start living your best life. Up next, Assa steaks. Delicious and flavorful fish, popular in Portugal. You're gonna see why. Be sure to check out the channel. You're not gonna want to miss this. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.